Jai Hind students, again welcome in live class. Students, previous class we have completed exercise 7b. That is based on identities a square minus b square equal to a plus b and a minus b. Now we just going to start new exercise 7c, that is based on identities, all three identities a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square and a square minus b square. So students, now going to start its first question, that is given. See everyone, exercise 7c. Exercise 7c, there is given factorize. Factorize, there is given first one x square plus 8x plus 16, x square plus 8x plus 16. Students, here we will use the identities. First of all, we will see anything common here, x square plus 8x plus 16. No value is common here, because if you are making the one group here, but second group we are not getting. Third things, this is first thing. Second thing is x is variable is here but not here, 8 and 16, but here no numeric value is here. So students, now we will identify which identities we can use here. X square plus 8x plus 16. So 16, we can say that 16 is the square of 4. So x square plus, here is the 4 square. So students, if you compare with the identities a square plus b square, so what should be here? Plus 2ab plus 2 we will write as it, a value should be what? X. So x we will write, multiply b value what should be? 4. Students, again I am writing here x square plus 4 square 2 multiply x multiply this one is 4. So 4 2s are 8x. Here 8x we are getting, x square plus 8x plus 4 whole square. So now students, this is the x square, this is the 4 square. Like this, a square plus b square and plus 2ab. So we will use the identities by using identity what identity we will use? A plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. But student, here we have this format. Here we have this format. So no need to write this way. We will write, because we have already this format a square plus 2ab plus b square. So what we are getting? A plus b whole square. Then same way, if we will write x square plus 2 multiply x into 4 plus b square, that is 4 whole square. So what should get? A value is x and b value is 4. So x plus 4 whole square. It will be your answer. Students, again I am telling here, x square plus 8x plus 16 is here. 16 is the square of 4 square. So x square plus 2 into x into 4 plus 4 square. By using identities, a square plus 2ab plus b square equal a plus b whole square. So our format is here, x square plus 2 into x into 4 plus 4 square. So what we will get? Place of a, that is x, place of b, that is 4. So x plus 4 whole square. It will be your answer. Clear students? So note it down. Question number 2, there is given x square plus 14x plus 49. Now here students, hope everyone done. X square it is okay, plus this one is 7 square. So what should get here? Plus 2 multiply x multiply 7. 7 2s are 14x. Clear students? So by using identities a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is a plus b whole square. So what should we write here? This format, first of all, what format we have? X square plus 2 into x multiply 7 plus 7 whole square equal, a value is the x and b value is the 7. So what should write here? A place of a we will write the x plus b place is 7. So x plus 7 whole square. If you want to check, so also you can use here identities x plus 7 whole square. So a square, that is x square, plus b square, that is the 7 square is 49, and last is 2 into 7, 2 into x into 7. Now what will get? X square plus 14x plus 49. Now you can check your answer. X square plus 14x plus 49. What we have told students? X square plus 14x plus 49. X square we have written here 14x. So 49, first of all 7 whole square, 2 multiply x into 7. So by using the identities a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is a plus b whole square. So a square is what we have taken, x square, b that is 7 whole square, and plus 2 multiply x into 7, x plus 7 whole square. It will be your answer. So students, hope everyone understood. So just talk about the question number 3. Question number 3 is given 1 plus 2x plus x square. 1 plus 2x plus x square. 1, that is the we can write the 1 square, 1 whole square, and here already we have x whole square. X square or x whole square. So what should we write here? 2 into ab, 2 multiply 1 multiply x, 2, a value is here, b value x, so 2x. Now we have got same by using the identities. By using identities, a square plus 2ab plus b square equal a plus b whole square. So 1 whole square plus 2 multiply 1 multiply x plus x whole square equal, what will be a, that is 1, b x, so 1 plus x whole square. Okay students, note it down. After 3, we will tell you question number 5. 4 as the same we will do. 9, that is place of 1, that is given 9, and 6z plus z square. So 9 should be 3 whole square, and 6z you will change into 2ab format, and z square is already a, b square is already given. So you can do this one. Question number 5. Question number 5 is given x square plus 6ax plus 9a square. Then what will be? X square we have written as the same plus 9a square is here, a square is here, 9 is the square of 3. So, 3a whole square, 3a whole square. So, now we have got a and b, this form of a and this form of b, clear. So, 2 multiply a, what we have got, x multiply 3a. We can check here the value is, this one is coming or not. 2 3 is 6, 6ax, yes, we just getting, okay. So, now we have got a square plus 2ab plus 3a whole square. It means what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So, now this format we have changed. So, we can use the same identities by using identity a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is a plus b whole square. So, what should come here? Same form what we have got here, x square plus 2 multiply x multiply 3a plus 3a whole square equal, students, a square plus 2ab plus b square equal a plus b whole square. A square place of this x square plus 2ab, that is 2 multiply x multiply 3a plus 3a whole square, that is 3a whole square, this is form of b square. Now, a value we have got x and b value what we have got 3a. So, what should write here? A equal x, that is x plus 3a whole square, this value will come, x plus 3a whole square. Again, x square plus 6ax plus 9a square is given. X square, this is the form of already a square, 9a whole square, that is 9 is the square of 3. So, 3a whole square. So, a square and b square we have got it, a and b square. So, 2a, a that is x only, b is the only 3a. So, 3 2 is 6, 6ax, we have got it. So, now we just identify which identity we are using here, a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is a plus b whole square. So, a square, that is x square plus 2 multiply x into 3a plus 3a whole square. So, what should come here? X plus 3a whole square, this value will come. Okay, clear students? Now, note it down everyone. Question number 6, little bit different from question number 5. Four y square plus 20y plus 25. Students, 4y we can see here, it is the square of 2, clear. 25 it is square of 5 and 20y, that is a form of 2ab, clear. So, a square and b square we have, 4y square, that is the 4 is the square of 2y whole square plus this one is the 5 whole square plus 2ab, 2 multiply a, that is 2y multiply b, that is 5. Now, we have got a square plus b square plus 2ab. We can check here, 5 2 is 10 and 10 2 is 20, 20y. Clear students? Now, the same identity we will use by using identity a square plus 2ab plus b square. What should come? A plus b whole square a square, that is 2y whole square plus 2 multiply 2y multiply 5 plus b square, that is 5 whole square equal. What should here a, that is 2y, b, that is 5. So, 2y plus 5 whole square. It is similar like a 5, okay. There 4y square, that is 2y whole square, and 5, then if 25 is the 5 square, okay. Other thing are same. Question number 6, you will do same. 6 we have told, okay. 7 you have to do yourself. 8 I am telling here. 9m square plus 24m plus 16. Yes, students, you can do this question, okay. So, question number 9 I am telling. 9 is a different. Question number 9, z square plus z plus 1 upon 4. Students, z square plus z plus 1 upon 4. Students, see. Okay, z square is given, clear, plus 1 upon 4, it is the square of 1 upon 2. So, we can write here 1 upon 2 whole square. Why? Because 1 upon 2 multiply 1 upon 2, 1 into 1, that is 1, 2 2 is a 4. So, we can write 1 upon 2 whole square plus. So, students, we have got here a square and b square. A, this is the square, b, this one is the square. Then what should we get now? 2ab, 2 multiply a, already we have z, multiply b 1 upon 2. But students, you have a question, there the z is given, but here we have written the 2 into z into 1 upon 2. Why the z is given? Because when 2 it will be cancelled, so what should come? Only z. So, that's why here written is z. So, 2 multiply z multiply 1 upon 2. So, we have this format 2 into z into half, means this is a 2ab format. We will not cancel here, only I am showing here how we can get the z, okay. So, 2 into z into half, that is z square and 1 upon 2 whole square, clear. So, same identity is here, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So, by using identity a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is a plus b whole square, a square, that is z whole square plus 1 upon 2 whole square, 2 multiply z multiply half. So, what should come? A value is z and b value is 1 upon 2. So, what should come? Z plus 1 upon 2 whole square. It will be your answer. Students, note it down. Okay, students, note it. So, now next question, question number 9 we have discussed here. Question number 10, as the same you will do. Now we are discussing the question number 11. Question number 11. Question number 11 is given p square minus tan p plus 25, p square minus tan p plus 25. So, what we can do here, students, in previous both the place we are getting the plus sign, but now in this question, in this expression, what we are getting here, this is minus but this is a plus, okay. So, now we have got the subtract sign here. So, how we have to do, students? p square minus 10p plus 25. P square, it is already form of a square, plus 25, it is already form of the 5 whole square. Now, we will see the minus 10p. Minus 10p, what should be here? Minus 2 multiply p and multiply 5, because b is the 5. So, 5 2s are 10, 10p. P square, p whole square, 25 the square of 5 whole square, 2 multiply p into 5, means 5 2s are 10p. Clear? But students, a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is form of a plus b whole square. But this is not a form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. It is a form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So, this is a form of a minus b whole square. So, here you will use which identity? A minus b whole square. So, by using identity, a square minus 2ab plus b square equal, what should be? A minus b whole square. So, what we will get here? A square, that is the p square minus 2 multiply p multiply 5 plus b square, that is the 5 whole square, equal p square, that is the a square, 2ab 2 into p into 5 plus b square is the 5 whole square. What we should write here? A. What is the value of a here? A square, that is p square, that is p. P minus b, that is the 5. P minus 5 whole square. It will be your answer, students. Again, p square minus 10p plus 25. So, p square we will write as the same. 10p 2 into p into 5. 2 p is the, that is a, and 25 is the square of 5 whole square. So, b as a 5. By using the identity a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is form of a minus b whole square. So, a square, that is the p square minus 2ab, that is 2 multiply p as a and b as a 5 plus b square, that is the 5 whole square, equal a, we have taken what? P, and b, that is we have taken p minus 5 whole square. Clear, students? Now, note it down everyone. Question number 11. Now, after question number 11, question number 12. Question number 12 is given 121a square minus 88ab plus 16b square. 16b square. Students, little bit different. We can see here which identities. First of all, we just try to change to a square and b square. Here, what we are seeing here, a square with given here 121. So, you know that 121 is the square of 11 into 11. 11 whole square, that is 121. So, 11 square and a square, how we can write 11a whole square? Clear? Plus 16b square. 16 is the square of 4. 4b whole square. 4b whole square. Now, we have got, students, a square and b square. So, what should now 2 multiply a, we know that a square plus b square minus 2, we have written a multiply b. So, a value should write here 11a multiply b value, what will write? 4b, 4 and b. So, we can see here 11 2s are 22, 22 4s are 88, 88 is here, a multiply b, that is ab. So, now we have got same format 11a whole square, 4b whole square and 2 multiply a, that is 11a, and b, that is 4b. Clear, students? So, now we can use the same format here. Students, what format we will use? What identities we will use? A minus b whole square. Then by using identity, a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is a minus b whole square. So, 11a whole square minus 2 multiply 11a multiply 4b plus b square is like a 4b square. So, what should come? A value is the 11a square, that is 11a whole square, b is the 4b whole square, only b is the 4b. Clear? So, place of a we will write the 11a minus place of b we will write the 4b, that is whole square. So, answer is 11a minus 4b whole square. It will be your answer. So, students, write everyone. Question number now, students. It's 14. 13 you can do better. Clear? So, now I am telling the 14. Is given 9y square minus 12y plus 4 plus 4. As the same 9y whole square, we should write 3y whole square plus 4 is the square of 2 square minus 2ab, 2 multiply 3y multiply 2, 3 2 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 12y. So, now we have got here 9y whole square, that is 3y whole square, it is the form of a square. 4, that is 2 whole square, that is the form of b square. Now, 2ab, 2a value is 3y and b value is 2. So, each and every format we have got of same identity. So, by using identity a square minus 2ab plus b square, what should we get? A minus b whole square. Then here 3y whole square minus 2 into 3y multiply 2 plus 2 whole square equal. Everyone see, a square, that is 3y whole square minus 2 multiply a that is 3y, b 2 and 2 whole square. So, same format we have got here. So, we can write here a value is 3y. So, 3y we will write minus b square, that is 2. So, 3y minus 2 whole square. Students, now note it down, 9y whole square, what we have done? 3y whole square, 4 what we have done? 2 square, and 2ab as the same like. So, same identity we have used here, a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now, 3y whole square minus 2ab plus 2 square, that is 3y minus 2 whole square. Clear, students? So, note it down everyone. Now, students, everyone noted? Question number 14, now we have discussed. Clear, students? Till question number 14 we have discussed now, and in this exercise what we have told you from question number 1 to 14. So, students, this is your homework from question number 1 to 14 you have to do on your notebook. Next class we will discuss, it's after that means question number 15. Clear students? So students, now I am leaving class. Thank you students. Jai Hind.